In this video, I am going to configure Inter-VLAN routing. So let's start our video. First of all, I am going to take a 2911 series router, and then we are going to use two switches. And for the demonstration, we are also connecting two PCs. Each PC will belong to a specific VLAN, like VLAN 1 and VLAN 2. Let's connect the straight cable from the router to switch, and then we will use the cross cable to connect the gigabit port to gigabit port. Let's connect these PCs. Sorry. So in this kind of topology, the router will be configured in the later section. First of all, we need to configure the switches for VLAN. Then using one single cable, we will communicate between the two different VLAN having two different subnets. So let's start configure the switches. So already VLAN 1 is created. We are going to create a VLAN 2 the name test. After that, we are going to put second interface VLAN on the this switch. We are going to do the same. Now we are going to configure the router. The router has only one port. First of all, we are going to no shutdown this interface, so the physical interface will come up. Now we are going to configure a virtual interface or sub interface. Then we are going to specify encapsulation.1q and the VLAN ID will be 1. Specify native, and then you can configure the IP addresses. That will be the default gateway for the switches. For the second VLAN, so here we need to specify the VLAN, and we can configure the IP address for the second VLAN. So the information is correct and the subnets are showing in the routing table also. So let's make this port trunk, and this port also that is connected to switches using one single command. So let's give the devices the IP addresses. It's connected to the first VLAN. This is connected to second VLAN. For the second switch, we give the IP address 10.0.0.3. Gateway will be 10.1. So let's ping these devices whether they will communicate or not. So this is communicating. Let's check whether we can ping the second subnet from first subnet. Let's ping the second device also. The first is request timer due to ARP table. So this is pinging. So you can track the trace route also. So the first packet is going toward my router, and then my router has checked its routing table for the 20.cd subnet. So it has found the IP address, and then you can see the ping. So in this way, Inter-VLAN routing works. Thanks for watching.